So here at Hooked, we sell a couple of different products to keep your yarn contained and keep it from getting tangled when it's wound into a center pull ball. So a center pull ball is wound on a winder and it's called a cake. So the yarn can be taken from the outside or from the inside. If you take from the outside, you cannot use one of these products, but if you take from the inside, it's helpful to have a cake, a yarn cozy around it so that you can, it will keep your yarn from getting tangled. So it will contain the outside. As the inside depletes and the outside slackens, it won't get tangled. So these are products that are made by one of our employees, and they are made with stretchy fabric, and they can just go around the outside of the ball. These are products that are made by a company called Buffy Ann Designs, and they come in a 3-pack. These come in one size, and the ones that our employee Mikey makes come in 3 different sizes. These also have the ability to snap together so that you can put 2 skeins side by side. So to use these, you're just going to put the yarn cozy on your hand, pull apart, and then gently pull around the outside of the cake. And once it's on and in place, you can pull smoothly from the center and not have to worry that it will get tangled.